HEIC is Apple's own image format. When your iPhone is set to high efficiency in your camera settings, it will shoot in HEIC. Now the problem is that HEIC is not supported on Windows, for example, and you may also have trouble using it online, so let's see how to convert them into JPEG. Hey everyone, I'm Dan from Wondershare UniConverter. So this photo was taken with my iPhone in the AGIF HEIC format. The difference is that AGIF is a format itself and HEIC is a specific implementation that focuses on images. Let me quickly show you the first and probably the easiest way to convert an HEIC image to JPEG on Mac. As you can see, I have this image file selected here. Now navigate to the right side and then find the More icon below the preview window here. If you don't see the preview, go to the View menu up here and then click on Show Preview. So click on More and then here click on Convert Image. In this next window, choose your output format to be JPEG and then the image size whatever you prefer. I'll go with the actual size. Then click on Convert to JPEG. It's an easy way, not the fastest, and you also can do it in batch. So that's why I'd like to recommend you a tool that will do batch HEIC to JPEG conversion both on Windows and Mac computers. The tool is the UniConverter's image converter. To get the tool, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and then follow the instructions to download and install the software. When you have it opened up, here you'll find the image converter. This image converter supports all kinds of image formats and also batch conversion, so you can import your HEIC files here in a batch and save you a lot of time. And then if you don't want to do any additional modifications to them, all you have to do is selecting the output format to be JPEG here and then click on Start All. But in case you'd like to resize the images and compress them, click on the settings icon here and then change the attributes in this window here. Additionally, if you also need to crop the images and color correct them, you can move your cursor here close to the convert buttons and then click here. And then in this next window, you can crop the images and modify colors. You may click on Apply to All to apply the same settings to all of the images here. Now I'll just leave everything as they are and click on Start All. That's it, a very easy way to convert HEIC images to JPEG. So if this video was helpful to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know for any conversion topics. If you have a specific file format conversion issue, let us know, we'll try to help out. But other than that, I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.